Imagine stepping into a home where every space is meticulously crafted, not just for luxury, but for real, everyday living. A mudroom where everything has its place, from the kids' dirty shoes to your car keys. A kitchen designed not just to cook, but to bring your family together. This rundown isn't just about listing fancy features, it's about imagining how these spaces can shape up to be your perfect spots for relaxation, work, or play. Hello, I'm Sophia Alonso from AV Architects and Builders. Over the years, we've perfected the art of blending luxury with functionality, crafting homes that do more than dazzle, but actually simplify your daily life. Today, I'm excited to walk you through 10 essential spaces that define modern homes, ensuring they're not just stunning, but practical too. A generously sized garage provides ample room for parking multiple cars, storage for bikes or kayaks, and even workspace for DIY projects. The garage is how most people enter their home, and so it sets the tone for the overall impression of the residence. Incorporating features such as built-in cabinets, overhead storage racks, and a designated workshop area enhances the functionality and organization of the garage, making it a versatile space for both storage and leisure. A large and well-designed laundry room on the main level offers both convenience and efficiency. Picture your washing machine on an elevated curb with built-in drainage to protect your home against any leaks or spills. Additionally, the inclusion of thoughtful design elements such as built-in ironing boards, drying racks, and hanging rods maximizes the efficiency of your space. The mudroom serves as a transitional space between the outdoors and indoors, providing a dedicated area to shed shoes, drop bags, and hang coats. Incorporating durable and easy-to-clean materials, such as tile or luxury vinyl flooring, means your mudroom will be able to hold up against whatever you throw at it. Additionally, the inclusion of built-in benches or seating areas provides a convenient spot for putting on and taking off shoes, while hooks, cubbies, and shelves offer storage for outdoor gear and accessories. As the heart of the home, the kitchen should be spacious and well-equipped to meet your needs. Ample countertop space, designated stations for various tasks, and a large pantry with built-ins and shelves ensure that the kitchen is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Additionally, the inclusion of features such as a central island with seating, a double oven, and a built-in wine fridge adds luxury and convenience to the kitchen. For homeowners who love to entertain, having 2 powder rooms is a game changer. Guests never have to wait for a bathroom, and having multiple powder rooms allows for greater privacy and convenience during larger events. By strategically placing powder rooms in separate areas of the home, homeowners can accommodate guests without disrupting the flow of daily activities. In today's flexible work environment, having 2 workspaces is invaluable, especially for households with people who work from home. By creating dedicated work areas with ergonomic furniture, ample storage, and access to natural light, homeowners can optimize their productivity and focus while minimizing distractions. We have a full video on how to optimize your workspace that we'll link in the description below. The resurgence of the family room offers a cozy retreat for relaxation and bonding. Incorporating features such as a fireplace, built-in bookshelves, and comfortable seating creates the perfect environment for family gatherings and quiet moments of reflection. The inclusion of multimedia entertainment systems, such as a flat-screen TV or surround sound speakers, adds versatility and entertainment options to the space, making it ideal for movie nights and game days. An owner's suite or primary bedroom on the main floor provides accessibility and convenience, particularly for aging parents or guests, without compromising on privacy. By incorporating features such as a spa-like ensuite bathroom, walk-in closet, and private outdoor patio, the owner's suite becomes a luxurious retreat where homeowners can unwind and recharge in style. A dedicated gym or workout space customized to personal preferences encourages a healthy and active lifestyle. Select equipment that complements your exercise preferences, whether you're a cyclist, powerlifter, or cardio aficionado. By designing the gym space with proper ventilation, durable flooring, and proper lighting, homeowners can create an inviting and motivating environment conducive to exercise and well-being. No modern luxury home is complete without a spa. Incorporating features such as a sauna, steam room, and hot tub elevates your living experience to a new level of luxury, not to mention the health benefits. A sauna helps with detoxification, improved circulation, and stress relief. A steam room offers similar health benefits, including respiratory support, muscle relaxation, and skin rejuvenation. Finally, a hot tub provides hydrotherapy benefits, including muscle relaxation, pain relief, and improved sleep quality. By incorporating spa amenities into the home, you can enjoy the ultimate in relaxation and wellness. In the world of modern luxury homes, it's not just about adding spaces, it's about creating environments that resonate with the lifestyle and aspirations of those who dwell within them. At AV Architects and Builders, we're not just building homes. We're crafting personalized experiences that stand the test of time. Thank you for watching, and if you want more information on the home building process, check out our Learning Center, linked in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!